on sports mode, but it's doing this, bruh. It's like, the tires are cold, the road is cold, everything is cold. Let's pass this guy, he's not driving. So we're in Sandton. That was quick. And I feel like Sandton is so close to Four Ways, it's crazy. But apparently Four Ways is part of Sandton, so I guess it makes sense. It's like a 10 minutes drive. And there was some traffic and we still got here in no time. Anyway, it is what it is. Man, when this torque kicks in, bro, it's insane. Especially when you're not foot flat on the throttle, bro. It's just, you just feel that push, and it gradually builds up, obviously, as the revs go up. And then around 4,000 RPM, that's where you have all the torque. Let's open the windows. What the fuck? This is Sandton, yeah. And the pops are so loud, bro. And I still have the stock down pipe. Imagine without the, bro, like imagine with a decad. Yo, swear. Finally, let's go. Bro, those pops are so obnoxious, bro. What the fuck? Yo. Yo, man, Sandton is a mess around this time, bro. What's happening? Oh, there's a BYD here, bro. The Chinese are taking over for sure. Bro, I don't even know this place. It's called Sandton Isle. Is it like shops or what? There's a BYD dealership there. I like BYD though. I think I like BYD. I think it's one of the few, if any, like electric car brands that I find cool. I don't know, I feel like it's cool, and they make, some of their cars are cool. They have that big ass pickup that's fast as hell, faster than the Raptor. Way too much traffic. We're gonna make a U-turn here though. What's up, bro? Nah, that one is better. That one is much better, bro.
No, enjoy this one.
Away.
Thank you.
Sure. Shit, this is where we're going, bro. But we're on the wrong lane. We're gonna go like this. Yo, bro, the car is moving around like crazy. I think either the roads are too cold or my tires are still just like stone cold, because it's on sports. I'm driving with traction control on because I don't wanna make a mistake and just like end up somewhere there, like wrap around the tree. So I'm driving on sports mode, but it's still doing this. I mean, that's why I prefer rear-wheel drive over all-wheel drive. It's so fun, but sometimes it's sketchy, bro. I feel like on stage 1 is just gonna be mental, bro. I wonder like how you all drive this on stage 3, because stage 2 is more like stage 1. It's more for like, refining the driving experience and more noise, obviously. But stage 1 and stage 2 are super close. But That's what I'm talking about, bro. It's just otherwise I think I'm gonna stop recording here because I'm almost there. But yo, it's sketchy, bro. I think it's the winter weather, bro. It's like, it's not even that cold, bro. According to the car, I'm not sure if this is the temperature of, the car or outside, because it's saying 17 degrees Celsius, but I'm sure it's not 17 degrees Celsius. Otherwise, I'm gonna stop recording here. And I'm gonna check you all out in the next one. Hope you all enjoyed though. Hope you all enjoyed the video. And I need you all to leave a like, obviously, like the video. And talk to me in the comments. Hit me up. Otherwise, see you all in the next one.